In the previous session, we have discussed about the clinical importance of the plasma protein binding. Now there is another importance, that there is a direct correlation between the degree of the plasma protein binding and the chances of the drug interaction. Now that is, if a drug is highly bound to plasma protein, the chances of drug interactions are high in certain cases. Again, I am using this word in certain cases. If 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 the drug is having a narrow margin of safety. I am explaining you with a particular example. Suppose there is a drug, that is warfarin. Okay. Now you all know that warfarin is highly bound to plasma protein. So इसका अगर प्लाज्मा प्रोटीन हम और बढ़ा दें, ठीक है, it is approximately, this warfarin, it is 99% it is bound to the plasma protein. तो ड्रग फ्री कितने परसेंट हुई? 1%. ठीक है. अब if you have given another drug, that is drug which binds to the same plasma protein as these drug, as the warfarin binds with the same plasma protein. So what will happen? The warfarin is going to be displaced. ये warfarin यहाँ से displace हो जाएगी इस plasma protein से. warfarin जो है वो displace हो जाएगी इस plasma protein से, और क्या हो जाएगा? The another drug binds to this plasma protein. ठीक है. अब से फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये इतने warfarin के मोलेक्यूल्स फ्री हो गए. अब आप देखिए क्या हो रहा है. Now even if the 1%, even if this initially the 1% of the warfarin is free, but now you can see that another molecule of the warfarin, so the free amount of the warfarin increases. Okay, आपने डिस्प्लेसमेंट कितना किया? आप देखिए 99% बाउंड थी ड्रग और 1% फ्री थी. आपने दूसरी ड्रग दी, उसने कंपटीशन की, सिर्फ 1% को ही, 99 minus 1, ओनली 1% ड्रग को ही फ्री किया है. ठीक है. बट यहां पे क्या हो जाएगा? फ्री पार्ट 1% से 2% हो जाएगा. इट मीन्स दैट the free portion of the drug doubles. Free portion of the drug doubles. Okay. And that's why there is a sudden high plasma concentration of the drug. And that's why if the drug is having narrow safety margin, say for example warfarin, so there are a significant chances of adverse reactions. So again, I want to summarize that if the drug is highly bound to plasma protein, that is one. You are giving another drug that binds to the same plasma protein, that is two, with a higher affinity than that of the previous drug. And the drug which is highly bound to the plasma protein, it is having a narrow safety margin, and over and above that, its metabolism is saturable. It means that जितनी ड्रग फ्री होगी उतने डिग्री में ड्रग का मेटाबॉलिज्म नहीं होगा. In that case, the chances of the drug interaction will be very high. Thank you.